Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Skiller Jr. and in today's video I will show you how to change your brush size and hardness with some cool simple tricks. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. Create a new layer. First, decrease the size of your brush. Now let's draw a line. Oops, my spacing is still active. Now draw a line. Hold Ctrl and Alt and then click and hold the right mouse button. Now drag to your left or right to change the size. Now to reduce or increase the hardness, just apply the same method, but this time we drag it to the top to decrease and to the down to increase. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now with the second method, it's one of the easiest and the most popular used by graphic designers. Just press bracket on your keyboard to decrease or increase the size. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and give a comment, and if you need help with any other stuff you can ask me on Instagram.